What's up, guys? Welcome to Mason and Rico's Bass Fishing, the 2021 edition. We want to thank you for watching our videos. We're going to start the year off doing a little frog fishing, and we're trying to experiment with the wacky rig. So that's something that we're doing early on this season to get some fish in. Hope you like what you see. If you can, hit the
like and the subscribe button and the notifications.
And if you want to leave any comments, feel free to do so as well. Thank you for watching. Hello. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Cheddar Dog. Oh, nice little black spotting on the backside. First one of 2021. Hoping for many, many more. Yeah. Oh yeah, he smoked that puppy.
I just saw all that.
You saw the whole thing?
Ah!
That's just my frog. I'm squeezing water out of it.
I thought it was.
Yeah, those fish have been jumping over there for all that time.
Hey, that's probably the one that was like there. Good job, buddy. Do not pee. Do not pee.
Oh, it's all good. That's a nice 1.5, close to 2 pounder on a frog. You want to hold him? There you go. Hold him tight. He's gonna shake.
He's biting me.
No, he's not biting you. He's just wanting to get free. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah. So you want to put him back in?
Yeah.
Okay, get on out of here.
Ah,
He's gone. You got him? Keep whining. Where? Oh. He got it. I mean, hey.
That was a big one.
He jumped on it. You just got to be able to set that hook.
I didn't give me tight line.
I know it.
You said you just went. I don't want none of that.
rig, buddy. Yeah, on the wacky rig. awesome.
Oh no, I don't know my scale. Come on.
Oh, we didn't bring the scale, did we?
Yeah.
But that's pretty awesome. That's my first wacky rig fish.
Look at that, guys. First fish of the day.
Yeah, we did not get skunked. Yeah, you want to hold him?
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. I'm glad we came over here. That's your suggestion, huh?
Yeah.
Let me get my camera up.
Now we should have an intro.
Get your release going.
That the charger stuck on
Whoa. That's awesome, bud. Oh, I got a little one.
You just got another one?
A little bitty one, yep. A little smallie, but it's still a fish.
Good shot of that. I need to get a shot of that.
So what we're learning is that the wacky rig currently is the best thing to be using because they're biting it a little bit.